Hi, welcome to 40 Fridays of Fundamental Science Experiments with Rohini. Everybody knows that Robert Hooke discovered cell. Now, he not only discovered cell, he also was the first person to have studied fossils under the microscope. He was comparing living wood to petrified wood and living mollusks or living shell containing organisms to dead shells. And when he was comparing all this under the microscope, he noticed that the living wood and the petrified wood or the rotten oak wood, which he was comparing the living oak wood to, had similar structure under the microscope, and wood can be turned to stone when petrified water fills lots of minerals all over the wood. Similarly, for the shells also, he observed the same thing. Shells can be fossilized when they are filled with clay or mud or petrified water and they become stone like. So, this comparison of living shells to fossilized shells and living wood to petrified wood or fossilized wood led him to propose that fossils are dead matter of living or existing organisms. Not only that, throughout his life, he continued to study fossils and he kept comparing them to their living equivalent. Sometimes he found that the fossils did not have any living equivalent. This led him to propose that probably in the past there lived organisms which are not existing today. And he also proposed that probably there are some species that are living today but which weren't there in the past. So, just by comparing fossils under the microscope, he said that these fossils were evidence of past life and also evidence of life changing on Earth, because sometimes the fossils did not have a living equivalent and sometimes the living people did not have any fossilized equivalent. Great deduction, and long, much before Charles Darwin. Thank you.